Hey guys, first of all, I came here today, so there won't be any presentation. Apologies for that. Let me give you a quick overview. My name is Ambarish Mitra, founder and CEO of Blippar. And those of you who don't know in the room, Blippar is one of the world's largest augmented reality and image recognition platforms with over 50 million users on the platform. We started the company with a very simple philosophy. And why I'm going that angle, let me give you some clarification today. You guys have seen a lot of product demos. I'd like to take this moment to give you some insight of real-world business experience, having worked with pretty much every leading brand in the world, that what they have learned from using AR. So we started the business with a very simple philosophy that we will make the physical world limitless, and we will make creativity dimensionless. My background hasn't been in AR, and neither am I an engineer. But I saw a huge opportunity in the market where everything in the digital space and all kind of innovations having done with several billion-dollar companies, indirectly all of them were selling clicks, banners, and videos. And those are the three things that almost summarizes all forms of digital marketing. And I thought there's a real opportunity. AR is the only major enabler which brings creativity and, as previous speaker said, storytelling at the heart of it. And ultimately, a good marketing strategy is a brilliant storytelling strategy. And having now done more than 10,000 campaigns with 2,500 brands and 86,000 publishers in Blippar, we learned that as a medium, and for skeptics or people who are venturing into AR as a business model, as a medium, it's really, really working. And people are seeing phenomenal conversion numbers. Let me define conversion for you in the world of Blippar. In our world, conversion means unique SKUs of products in the market which asks you to blip versus unique users interacting with that product. So for give you an example, if Pepsi puts the Blippar logo on 250 million cans of Pepsi and asks users to blip it to get engaging content, one of the worst case probabilities across all our campaigns would be a conversion of 1%. So in a worst case scenario, 2.5 million people will interact with a Pepsi can. And if you compare that against a conversion media in most digital initiatives, like all forms of broadcast-based mediums, this is phenomenal. And I'll tell you why this is a phenomenal, because there's a purity to AR-led behaviors, and that purity is it's pull-based, right? You do not use AR because someone's broadcasting it to you or you're in a stream. You use it because you are consciously pointing your phone or wearables at something. And that purity of it drives amazing engagement. And the world of brands and retailers have been very, very happy with the results they have seen so far. What I'll do is, on that note, I'll give you, I'll show you a couple of examples and throw some real life stats on it. But again, we've had the Blippar logo now appears on a monthly basis on over 12 billion products and 100 million pages of print across 3 continents. And we've had like over 1 billion interactions on the platform. So we've got a huge learning data set to share these experiences from. So my first example would be this campaign from L'Oreal. This was done on Vogue and Cosmopolitan magazine. So normally a typical print campaign as a medium is done with the purpose that you are driving brand awareness, right? And above the line media still exists. It creates good imagination. So when you, what L'Oreal wanted to do, they wanted to give something extra to the user. So imagine being a user, you point your phone using the Blippar app, and it's asked you to try this color wheel. L'Oreal was introducing 40 different shades of nail varnish as a new color, and showing that in a very limited print real estate wasn't sufficient. So this is where AR comes into play. So you could actually try a real nail varnish straight on your hand from a print campaign. I'll give you a quick demo of that. I sort of cut my nails this morning just for this purpose. No, I wasn't even aware I would need to do a demo. So immediately what you see is, of course, it's not properly aligned, but I could align it. It has the features to. You can even resize it to precise location of the nails. So it doesn't end there. The two goals being fulfilled here. From a dead asset, which a large distribution, I think 970,000 Vogue circulation in US, you driving an interactive campaign. So, and you allowing people to directly engage with the true color indication of the product. And it's a bit slow, excuse me, because of the connectivity, but you could actually try on 40 different shades of nail varnish straight on your hands. And for women in the room, you would know how much time you would save doing that. The goal of L'Oreal here was, besides driving engagement, they got data about which were the top 8 shades out of those 40 shades. They manufactured those 8 shades more. They did a better yield management in putting those 8 shades in Bloomingdale's, Saks Fifth Avenue, Macy's, wherever they put it. And they had a 15% rise in sales that quarter. So this is where, from something which people might say, hey, this is cool, this is gimmicky, but you know, for critiques in the room, gimmick really works. You know, most of the coolest ads on the planet are gimmicky too, because what we sometimes smart marketing intellectual people call gimmick, for marketeers, for consumers, that is actually extremely cool and that is extremely engaging. It's actually fun. So brands continue to do that, where they always have dual agenda whenever they're working in AR. One is, from dead piece, you drive engagement, and secondly, you utilize that data to make business decisions. Another quick demo of this is with same Blippar browser. It's a universal browser which works on millions of things, and we get real-time recognition on objects. This is with Kohl's catalog. Most of Kohl's, all catalogs in US are blippable, and this is an example where you can check out a shoe in 3D space and actually buy it straight from the product itself. And here, Kohl's got a very good idea. I'm running out of time. Kohl's got a very good idea, actually, what is the value of each page in the catalog, because they distribute millions of them. And is page 27 more profitable to them than page 29? Should they treat each page equally? Should they redesign their pages? Because if they change the design of the pages, does engagement levels go up? So it's quite important to always think of augmented reality not just a tool which shows things in a better or a more vivid way, but it actually tremendously insightful tool where most of the people in the world of products are measuring Facebook interactions and Twitter interactions and websites. Trust me, the world of products really rise in the physical world. And what AR does, it actually makes the physical world more measurable, and it enables it to give you more dynamic content. Thank you very much.
Excellent.